Welcome students, I am Dr. Blessy Queen Mary, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, GCT Coimbatore. I am going to present you the experiment of LED brightness control using Arduino on Proteus simulation. Now the components required here are Arduino Uno, LED and some ground terminal and connecting wires. And the simulator used is Proteus 8 Professional. Now I will show you the connection of Proteus and Arduino code. The experiment will be done in 4 steps. Step number 1, open Proteus and create circuit for LED control using Arduino. First, I have to open Proteus software, Proteus simulation software and create the circuit for LED. So here I am giving file name as LED. Then next, default, next, no firmware project, finish. Then now you will get a screen like this. Then in the schematic capture, you have to pick devices from the library. So click P and here you have to type Arduino. So now this Arduino Uno TEP. So this is your Arduino controller. So you have to fix the Arduino in your screen like this. So just double click on the screen. Then again go to pick devices, then type LED green. So here it is the LED green. Okay, so I have to fix that LED here, LED green. Okay. Now we have to connect this LED with the digital IO or digital pin of Arduino controller. Okay, so now I have to choose some connecting wires and then I am connecting this digital pin 13 to our LED green. Okay, so like this. Then I have to ground, we have to take from this component mode or terminal mode and we have to take that ground. Okay. Okay, this is our LED. Okay. Now the second step. So this is the first step. Now here we created the circuit for LED controller using Arduino. So sorry, in Proteus simulation. Now the step 2 is write a code in Arduino IDE. So now I am opening Arduino IDE. Here we'll open a new program. Okay, so now Here is your program. So here integer LED 1 equal to 13. So in the simulation screen, I have connected the 13th pin of digital pin of Arduino controller to LED green. So here I have to initialize LED 1 as 13. Okay, the next setup loop, setup function, pin mode of LED 1 comma output. So in order to glow or blink an LED, we pass high to turn it on. Okay, so now in this setup function, pin mode of LED 1. So this is the variable and we declare it as 13. Okay, so we have to write as LED 1 as 13 also. Okay, 13 comma output. So we have the output of our LED can be obtained in the 13th pin. Okay, likewise we have to declare the function. The next function void loop of here digital write off. This is the function. Then digital write off LED 1 comma high. This is in order to glow an LED we pass high to turn it on. Then second one delay of 2000. Delay of 2000 means delay for 2 seconds. So here the program contains microseconds level. Okay, so now 2000 means 2 seconds. So 2000 milliseconds, I think. Then digital write off LED comma low. So the same thing, in order to low your or fade out your LED, we have to pass the signal as low. Okay, then delay for 2 seconds. Likewise, this loop function continues to run like digital write off delay, digital write off delay. Then again the loop can be continued as same. Okay, so this is your program. This is the second step. First step, open Proteus and create circuit for LED control. Second step, write a code in Arduino IDE. Third step, save and compile the code. Okay, we have to compile. So once you have written this Arduino code, you have to compile this. So here in the sketch menu, verify and compile. So this is your verify and compile. The next thing, okay, now your program is compiling. Okay. Your program is compiled. Now for obtaining output in the Proteus simulation screen, we have to give the program as hex code. Hex code means what? Hexadecimal. Okay, so now you have to take the hex code. So here your hex code is obtained in here. So C users plus C application data local temp Arduino build sketch that is file name. Okay, sketch August 3A. This is your file name .ino.hex. This is your hex file. So you have to copy this this URL and then go to Proteus screen, double click Arduino Uno, and in this program file you have to paste this. Okay, click OK. Then you have to run this program. Okay, finished. Your LED glows. See your LED, 2 seconds off, then it glows. Okay, so blink, your LED is glowing now. So thank you students, thanks for watching. So this is your program about LED brightness control using Arduino on Proteus simulation. Thank you.